Presenting the JSW-TIMES of India Earth Care Awards 2010. Awards that celebrate excellence in adaptation of best practices in environment.
Gentlemen, this is Ramnik Pental welcoming you to a gratifying and impacting initiative put out by JSW and the Times of India Group. May I invite Mrs. Sangeeta Jindal, Chairperson JSW Foundation, to please come and share her thoughts. With a huge round of applause, Mrs. Jindal.
When I look at the award winners, when I look at your pioneering work, when I look at your never die spirit, I feel that yes, we can take the world in our stride. Yes, we can. We must all realize that a cleaner, greener, and cooler planet is not an option, but the basic prerequisite for mankind's very survival. Thank you.
Thank you, Mrs. Jindal, for those very encouraging words. Before we move on to the awards, I'd like to invite Dr. Gopi to please join me on stage. Ladies and gentlemen, the moment that we have been waiting for has arrived, and we are fortunate that our dynamic minister and young parliamentarian, Mr. Sachin Pilot, is with us to encourage our awardees. It's a pleasure to invite him on stage. With a huge round of applause, Mr. Sachin Pilot.
The first award goes to the J. Malhar Village Watershed Committee. The award category is for community-based mitigation and adaptation efforts with special reference to land use change, forestry and water resources management. Second award goes to Prakriti Biotech Farm for the Prakriti Jal Urja Pump.
Congratulations once again. Moving on to the third award in this category.
The third recipient is Farmland Rainwater Harvesting System for its product, which is a water filter. It's an amazing innovation for climate protection.
Good evening to all. We are deeply humbled to receive this award. We have a small farm, 6 acres. We tried for a borewell, nearly 28 borewells we tried. 90% failed and we used to get a little less than half an inch water. Then it applied our mind on rainwater harvesting, and this innovative product we succeeded and implemented in many parts of our country. Thank you once again to JSW, Times Group and CE especially to recognize and honor us. Thank you very much, sir.